positive track. I love being able to fill my trunk with bacon, grocery for the food drives. Then their chin began to tremble, and she continued, "But my circumstances have changed. I cannot bring if I cannot bring even a single bag. I had to go to the food in the pantry myself." Dito sa part na to, I put my arms around her shoulder while she cried. Umiyak siya, no? The beauty of the church, I said, is that those of us who are evil are called to give to others, to graciously, and those who are faced with legitimate need are called to are doing now. Those who give to do who's those who give to do give to do, so we with that humble realizations that a change in circumstance could throw them into the desperate need, that what it means to live in fellowship in community of faith.